Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet this super cute mushroom. It is not a toy unless you are closely supervising. It's worked with half double crochets, so there might be some little gaps for the stuffing to come out, so I wouldn't recommend to make it for a young child to play with. It is super easy to make. It's half double crochets, as I said, and let's get to what we need. We need some stuffing, not a lot because it's a small one. Double knitting yarn, acrylic, or you can try with cotton, but I work with acrylic. I've got red and white, 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and something to cut yarn with. So we are going to start this project with a magic ring. If you're not sure on how to make a magic ring, I will link a quick short down below to show you slower. So make your magic ring, and then we are going to chain 1 and place 8 half double crochets into the magic ring. When you finish your 8th half double crochet, pull on a tail to close. With these previously that I made them into plant buddies, so I stuck a skewer inside and secured it with hot glue. So if you want to do that, leave yourself a little hole to poke the skewer through, and then slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to chain 1. Round 2, we're going to place 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. So it's an increased round, and we are going to end with 16 half double crochets for round 2. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round. I'm just going to take my hook out and I'm going to sew this tail in really quickly because we're going to go up soon and we'll have to turn it inside out and sew it, so we'll do it now. Just quickly backwards and forwards through the stitches. Apologies, it's super windy here today, so you might hear the wind. And we can cut this off. Now round 3, we're going to chain 1 and place a half double crochet in each stitch around, keeping the total count of 16. When you finished your round, I've got a big gap in this one. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet, and then round 4 we're going to decrease this round back down to 8 half double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, straight into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then through all your loops on the hook. That's 1. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, straight into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook. That's 2. Repeat this all the way around for a total of 8 half double crochet decrease. When you've finished your round, it's a bit like a ball now, so I like to close it together but push the back down so I can see the stitches. So slip stitch into the top of the first stitch of the round, and now we are going to make a round of half double crochet. So it's going to be 8 half double crochets for round 5. I'm going to start with chain 1 and then 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round, and then we are going to put an increase in each stitch around. So we're going to start with chain 1 and we're going to do 2 half double crochets in each stitch around for a count of 16. in round 6. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the first half double crochet of the round, and then we are going to chain 1, and for last round of the stem, round 7, we are going to place 2 half double crochets into the first stitch and then 1 half double crochet in the next, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next. And we're going to repeat this all the way around, and it's going to bring us to a count of 24 stitches in round 7. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round, pull yourself a little tail and cut it off. And then I'm going to quickly sew this tail in. And there's our stem ready. I'm going to stuff it only slightly, not too much, because it's not single crochet and it might stretch too much. There we go. I'm going to put this aside and we're going to take our red. So we're going to start making the dome now. So we're going to start with a magic ring again. And into that magic ring, we're going to start with a chain 1 and place 8 half double crochet into that magic ring. When you finished your 8, pull on your tail to close the ring, and then slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to chain 1, round 2. We are going to hot glue on my fingernail. 2 half double crochets in each stitch around for a total stitch count of 16. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round, and then round 3 we're going to start with chain 1 and then 2 half double crochet into the first stitch, and then 1 half double crochet in the next, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next, and then this, at the end of this round, you will end up with 24 half double crochets. When you finished your round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round, and then round 4 and 5 we're going to simply put 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. So you start with chain 1 and then 1 half double crochet in each stitch around, keeping the total count of 24. And we're going to do this round 4 and 5. When you finished your 5th round, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round, and this is our dome finished. Let's sew this in. So again, go into your stitch and find your first stitch on the dome and make a single crochet. You can put a stitch marker in the first stitch if you want, if it makes it easier for you to find, and then a simple single crochet in each stitch around, keeping the count of 24. And when you get towards the end with a few stitches left, we're going to stuff it. So I've left myself a few stitches here as the opening, and we're going to stuff the dome. Don't do it all at once, do it in little bits. And also don't do it too much because then it'll be like that, really stretchy. You want it just enough so it can still keep its shape. And then finish closing it. Last stitch, and then slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. Pull your tail through and we'll sew it in. So now we're going to make the spots. So we're going to make 2 of the small ones and 1 of the big ones. Well, obviously you can make as many as you want. So we're going to start with a magic ring. Make the small one first. I'm going to chain 1 and place 8 half double crochets into the magic ring. And pull on your tail to close it, and then slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet of the round. Pull yourself a short tail, and then I'm going to tie it off, trying to bring the knot to be in the center rather than on the side, so the little bobble that we left is pulling in a little bit. Like so, and then we can cut it off. If you're sewing it in, leave yourself a longer tail. I'm gonna hot glue it on. So make another one of them, and then I'll show you how to make the bigger one. Start again with a magic ring, chain 2, and then 10 double crochets into the magic ring. When you finished your 10, pull on the tail to secure the ring, and then slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Pull your tail and tie it like this one. So we're quickly going to glue these on with a little bit of hot glue. Like so. There we go. And if, I don't know if you can see the fuzz on it, but if you want to get rid of that fuzz, be very careful, but grab yourself a lighter and you can quickly go over it like this. Don't hover on one spot for too long because you will leave burn marks. And there you have it, your cute little mushroom. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.